go. That was sick. If you want, I'll just try to push. I can just push you. Yo gang, what is up? It's your boy Laz, aka MotoBroo. We got the big 450. We got, that's a 450?
450.
Two big 450s. And you already know, we're about to vibe out and shred.
It's a great video. MotoBroo on the cam. We're gonna have fun a little bit. We're gonna do some tricks, hopefully not wrong. I'm gonna try to scrape.
Bro, you better scrape a little bit today. Let's see. Turn that bit on. I know he can scrape, bro. He just has, it's just getting the cojones to do it, you know? I remember when I first learned to scrape my Supermoto, it was the scariest feeling in the world. You what?
I'm trying to scrape a little bit.
You gotta go a little further.
I need practice.
I'm gonna show you, cause you're going a tiny bit past balance point.
Okay.
Watch when I do it. I'm gonna stay at balance point and then I'm gonna scrape and show you how much of a difference it is.
Okay.
This is you. You're like this. That's you right here. Scrape. Boy, scraping on him.
I gotta keep practicing.
Hey, I know it's the scariest feeling ever, bro. When I was learning it, I was like, I felt like I was gonna fall off my.
I don't wanna hit the throttle and then.
No, that's why, like, you don't really hit the throttle. Once you're falling back, it's all just brake.
Yeah, okay.
You see, once you're past the balance point, no throttle, just
hold on, right?
Hold on in the brake.
Hold on.
You already know, we got Marides. Hey, big 700. Let's go. She's gotten so much better. I've met her at like a lot. I think one of the lots. No, yeah! That's so close. Yeah! Let's go. That was sick. Just shredded, dude. I feel like every time I see her, she just keeps getting a little better and a little better. Yo. I didn't expect her to floss like that. You got so much better. The hand drags, killing it. So good. Sheesh. Boy, on the DRZ, bro. Y'all know the DRV. That thing looks like it's lowered, though, to be honest. Let's go. We got the two girls right here shredding. Marides, I don't know her name, but she's killing it too. Woo, she got the microfiber rack. What happened? Okay. She really mobbing that turn like it's nothing, bro. And on a quad, bro, it's hard to hit turns. Look, all three quads chilling. Let's go! It's so sick. 3 quads. 2 girls, homie in the front. Ah! Hey! What's the microfiber? The microfiber. What's the microfiber for? Yeah. Oh, it spills? Ah. Oh, okay. Oh! Hey! You saved it, so. No, hey, it's bike life. That will happen many times throughout your career, well, or career, you know what I mean. Y'all know what I mean. Let's go. She's shredded though. It died?
No, it's like, I don't know how to say that in English. It's like this little thing. It's not working.
You want me to push you? Here, let me put it down. Like the ECU?
I don't know.
It won't start?
Now, yeah, but it always One is like.
Just. Oh. Be gentle, gentle. It turned off again? Ah. If you want, I'll just try to push it. I could just push you.
Okay, yeah.
I don't know. How would I do it? I guess.
It was working so perfectly and now it's like that.
I think it has something with like the electric wire. I ain't a mechanic, I don't know. Yeah. Let's go. Hey, turn left, turn left, turn left. Quad down, man. Oh. That's the thing, like it wants to start, but something like the electrical, it starts it, but then it cuts off and it just, huh?
2 men down.
Yeah. Wait, you're down too? Oh, you got a flat. Damn. Man, the freaking dirt bike got a flat. The quad ain't starting. And it's hot as hell out here in Florida, man. Homie came prepared, bro. What's going on? Let's go. My boy got the quad. You already know he's vibing. My boy Yana. 777 for the good luck. Woo! Okay. Boy, chilling. Homie's a quad rider now. Last time I seen him, he was on a freaking, he was riding the dirt bike. They said, nah, I'm a quad rider. I need to pull it up. Dude, it's been a minute since I've been on the 450. Not really, it's been like a week, but still. Okay. Let's go. Hey, you're a quad rider now?
Huh?
You're a quad rider now?
No, my bike is wrong.
It messed up?
Yeah.
Okay. Hey, bro, but you shredding that thing. Yes, sir. You already know we outside. I'm matching. We matching together, bro. I hit a little tune. He hit a little tune. A little hot box in there. That's the hot box Yoda. This is what you whipping? Is it new?
No, it's my boy.
Oh, it looks brand new. Yeah, bro. You say what?
I can still return it if I want.
You can return it. Hey, that bitch still got the warranty. That's awesome. That's it. That brand new Kawasaki, bro. He said he could bring it back to the dealership. That's how new it is. Yes, sir. Ah, I lost it. Ooh, that sounded crazy. Okay. Let's go. I ain't gonna lie, his quad made like a crunch sound. Yes, sir. But he is flossing. A little knee knocker, both knee knock. Ooh. Yeah. Hey, you shredded, bro. Killing it, dude. Hey, I heard like a weird noise from your bike. It was like,
It's this shit. It's
oh, okay.
It's covering the muffler.
I was like, I hope it's not the motor.
Yeah, hell no. I wouldn't be doing it.
No, yeah. Hey, you shredding though.
Big daddy.